Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today's going to be a very quick video because I've been called out to a low pressure on a Baxi 600 boiler. This shouldn't require an engineer, to be perfectly honest with you. I feel like everybody should know this, and I feel that they're wasting money paying engineers like myself to come out and do it. I'm probably doing myself out of some work there, but it is what it is. So today, it's very similar on most, if not all, Combi boilers, okay? This particular one is a Baxi 600. You'll have a pressure gauge here, or on the lower side, or maybe even on the pipework to the boiler. You just have to make sure that the pressure is within the range of 1 to 1.5. If it drops below this, chances are you're going to get a fault code, which normally is unique to the boiler. So you might have to find out what that fault code is. And if it's low pressure, this can be caused by leaks on the pipework, by venting radiators, or even a dodgy PRV. Okay, and the PRV is this on the outside of the wall, or it's very similar. It's normally like a little cowl or pipework bent into place, as you just see. If it's dripping, or if you can see water that's been released through there, you might need to get that replaced. But if it's not the PRV, or it's not been venting radiators, then you're really going to have to check for leaks anywhere, because chances are you might have a small weep on some pipework, normally on radiator valves or something like that. Now, to top the pressure up, what you're going to have underneath this boiler is an internal filling loop, so it's actually on the pipework. Many boilers incorporate this. I'll quickly show you this one. You might have a silver braided hose that should be disconnected from the pipework. Don't worry if it's not. A lot of engineers don't disconnect it. It's bad practice. They should disconnect it for safety reasons, but a lot of them don't. So let's take a look under the boiler and I'll show you where this one connects in. Under the boiler, you've got this green lever here. This is the internal one. This is the 15mm. It comes off and it goes into the 22 return. So basically, all we're going to do is pull this lever down and we're going to see that the gauge will go up. Perfect. Now you don't want to go too crazy because you have to compensate for heat expansion too. And the PRV will normally go off at 3 bar, so you don't want to go too high. So stay within the green markers or the manufacturer's recommendations. So thank you very much for watching guys. I hope this has been informative to you. Make sure you give me a thumbs up because it means a lot. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.